Science in Vedas. Today, we can think about some modern science that is in Vedas. That is regarding aeroplane, ship, rocket, and the way of going outer space. That is beyond the Earth atmosphere to the other planets. Everything. So, let us first go to Yajurveda 29:14-45. In it, Rishi Bharadwaj says, we should be proud about our aeroplanes which travels in the air. We should be proud about it because it gives our all type of pleasure. Again, it requires us to study about the mechanical parts of this aeroplane which drive this vehicle. We should study all mechanical activities or mechanical functions of this aeroplane which drives this aeroplane. So we should think about the technical side, how it can be, how the all the parts are working. That is aeronautical engineering itself. We should study about it. Then only we can make it. And again it says, the soldiers can hide the all types of equipments in this aeroplane. That means for attacking other country, we can hide our all type of weapons inside this or ammunitions, everything inside this plane. That means it can be used for pressure, for traveling everywhere as a commercial vehicle, and also it can be used for military purposes at the time of war. Then in Yajurveda 29:46 it says, we should respect these brave soldiers who drive such vehicles. We could train them, such brave persons for driving that vehicles. And also, we should keep along with it all types of vehicles which are required for this defense activity. Then, we should also possess all type of speedily traveling ammunitions, and rockets are like that. That is missiles. At present we can say it as missile or rocket or anything like that. We should keep it such all defense activities, military equipments along with us, all types of vehicles and such trained personnel. And it also says we should keep all types of emanations which threatens our enemies in different ways. They will be afraid of it if it is with our possession. Such equipments are there. What are the such emanations? Actually, it is nuclear bomb or anything like that. Then it says we are not like to attack other people, other nations. For example, we are not interested in offensive purposes, but it is required for the safety of our nation. Safety. Our safety depends on how much such things we are in custody. That means if nuclear bomb is with us, nobody will attack you. So all nations should keep such advanced emanations with us, fighting equipments with us. Then only we are safe. Then, in Yajurveda 2157, it says, with the help of electricity and gas principles, with the application of electricity or with the knowledge of electricity and its application, with the knowledge of electricity and gas principles, we can drive vehicles in the sea. That ship, etc. Vehicles in the sea means ship like that, boat or ship, everything. Or submarine or anything like that. That is moving based on the principles of, with the support of electricity and gas principles. So we should be aware of that. We should understand the gas principles and the electricity and apply it to produce such vehicles which travels in the sea. The same principle can be used to go in the outer area, that is from earth to outer space. It says our prosperity depends on the utilization of the space between earth and the sky. That is, we should utilize all the spaces in the sky. How it can be used? By using rockets. Aeroplane, they already said in the first day. Here they are saying you should utilize both the space between earth and the upper sky, that is Akash. Then it says in Yajurveda 57:58, Rishi Sasyatraya says, before, after getting the knowledge of such things, that means such things means knowledge of vehicles that can be used in water and in air, like aeroplane, etc. Then they are saying about the technology of rockets. It says you should acquire very sophisticated knowledge. That means going in the outer space. You should acquire such a sophisticated knowledge, and with the use of this same Agni, with the use of same Agni, that energy, heat energy, light energy, everything like that, that is electricity also. We can go to outer planets like Earth. That means like Earth, there are other planets there, and we can go there and do some work there, because our prosperity is there by going such activities. That means our prosperity is dependent not only in Earth and the surroundings. We should go outside in the space, outer space. There are full scope there, and so go there using this technology, sophisticated technology. That means rocket. In other chapters, they are explaining the way in which these rockets are to be made, the material, how it is to be processed, heat treatment, everything. Then the surface should be so much smooth. No crack should be, minute scratch should not be there. Likewise, everything is explaining in other chapters that we can see later. This is what Veda says.